Samsung is taking a massive decision that will change everything. All for the line for the future of Galaxy S, Galaxy Z, Galaxy A, and even their smart TV series. Smartphone world has changed so much ever since the global pandemic, and now with inflation and economic challenges, it's pretty tough out there. Some brands are pretty much closing their operations altogether. For Samsung, the Galaxy S23 series sold pretty well, hence keeping Samsung's #1 position as the global leader in terms of the total shipments. Still, there was a 2% decline, and as 2023 goes on with more competition coming in, the numbers can possibly go down even more. So considering everything, Samsung has ordered a full business revision and recently global meetings to reevaluate the whole business and make a strategy to minimize the losses. What can you expect? Well, anything can happen, but let's hear it from the man responsible for Samsung these days, Mr. TM Rowe himself. His recent interview has revealed some of those plans or ideas. One of those plans could include new range of innovative Galaxy products that will give birth to an entirely new possibility and user experience, not only through hardware innovation but also through AI and software that only Samsung can provide. Let's talk about the hardware part first. We know that Samsung has been teasing and showing off their multi-fold devices for quite some time. If everything goes right, 2024 might be the year where we finally see these devices coming out to the market. There's also rumored plans for the Flip Ultra and Fold Ultra devices with premium top tier cameras and even newer design. It will be very interesting to see how Samsung will fit these devices in their smartphone lineup. Don't be surprised if some devices get killed off next year, similar to what they did with the Galaxy S24. Now, as mentioned before, AI is going to be a big player moving on when it comes to software experience on smartphones, and for this Samsung is doing some heavy investments in terms of not only hardware but also a lot of money, so we can have top-notch AI tools built into the One UI experience, which will obviously come to the Galaxy S24 series and other Samsung devices. Now this is the most interesting one, talking about creating flagship phones at a more affordable price range. We already know that Samsung has plans for a cheaper version of their Galaxy Z Flip phone. This will give users for the first time a taste of foldable at an affordable price. Along with this, if anything that has shown Samsung's ability to create amazing, affordable, flagship level phones, it has to be their Fan Edition lineup, so maybe the Fan Edition might make a comeback sometime in the future. A cheaper flagship with next-gen hardware is going to be a good news for everyone. And finally, he talked about Samsung XR plans. We know the Galaxy XR headset is in the works in collaboration with Google and Qualcomm. If all goes well, it is planned for a release in 2024. So there we go. The future of Samsung could include new Galaxy products, unique power of AI that only Samsung can provide to One UI software, and finally affordable flagship phone or perhaps an affordable flip phone. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.